Guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna finish up the LED bulbs on the F350 right here. I got these from JDM ASTAR, and this is the same company that I did the headlight bulbs and the fog lights as well. And some of you that might remember I was having some issues with the bulbs installed, but I did modify them. They're working fine, everything's good. The fog lights, I still have to remove the housing and see what I can do to kind of secure them so they're not wobbly, but that's not that important. And I'm still in contact with the company. They reached out to me and they said sometimes they don't fit right depending on the vehicles, and since this is an older vehicle and it's kind of a universal bulb, I'll give them the benefit of a doubt that maybe since this is an older vehicle, it's having some issues fitting exactly all the vehicles of the Ford line. I don't know. But they said they can send me out another set. It's a different design, so that might work. So I'm still kind of in touch with them, and we might give that a shot just to see if they'll fit a lot better. But anyways, they were not on Amazon before, but now they are, and they had these up on their website on the Amazon store, and I got the white ones and then I got the red ones. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install these in the taillights and see how they look. I'm gonna do a stock comparison, and then I'm gonna install these and do the LED comparison. You guys can see the difference, and they're getting pretty good reviews on Amazon from their store. And like I said before, they weren't on Amazon because they were still kind of a new company, but now they are, and I did buy them out of my own pocket. They didn't send me these. I just wanted to kind of buy them and give my own honest review without really kind of wasting their time and their money. I think they were like $19 for pair, so it's not too bad of a price. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip the truck around and throw in these LED bulbs in there and see what we get. In this video I'm recording on the Osmo Pocket. I'll show you what it looks like. Here we go. It's this little guy. Let me know what you guys think. I'm still kind of trying to get used to it, but it's a pretty cool little guy. So far I like it. I'll see what it looks like on the computer, but I just got it like yesterday, so I'm still kind of trying to play with the buttons and playing with the settings and all that stuff. So let me know what you guys think. If the quality is different from my other videos, if the sound is different from my other videos, what do you guys think? It's a little on the expensive side, but I did sell my GoPro and my phone gimbal, a few other things as well that I had around the house, because I didn't really want to spend 350 bucks on something like this and actually not like it. So I figured I'll sell some things and then give it a shot and see if I like it. All right, let's get this done and see what it looks like. Let's go. Alright, let me show you what the taillights look like. These are stock bulbs and stock taillights, obviously. I'm gonna put the lights on, and then I'm gonna put the brakes on. Then I'm gonna turn the lights off and do the brakes without the lights on. And then I'm gonna do the backup lights, and you guys can see the difference. And then I'm gonna swap the bulbs and we'll do the same thing. And of course the taillight still works pretty cool. So let me take out the little bolts right here to remove the taillights on both sides, put the bulbs in, and we'll do the same test. I'm gonna try to do a little time lapse with the Osmo Pocket and see how that does for the time lapse videos. So now the LED lights are installed, and we're going to do the same test. Lights on, brakes on, turn signals, reverse lights, all that good stuff. And we'll see the difference. Alright guys, so the LEDs look a lot better. They'll look a lot crispier. The truck looks a little bit newer with the LEDs as well. The sun went down just a little bit, so they might look a little brighter because the sun went down in the video. Looks like it's a little bit darker, but trust me, they look a lot brighter in person, a lot crisper in person. Yeah, I'm kind of glad I did this, and I hope you guys see in the video the difference, how it looks. It just kind of pops a little better. It doesn't fade like the bulb does. It's more like a pop crisp type of look to it. So now the full truck is LED, everything's LED. Taillights, backup lights, turn signals, cargo light, clearance lights on the side, lights on the front, headlights, top clearance lights, turn signals here, fog lights, marker lights, everything. It's now 100% LED on the exterior. Inside I didn't do any LED bulbs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching once again. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Check out the links in the description for the products, my merch store, shirts, t-shirts, all that good stuff. And we'll see you on the next one. See ya.